How to pronounce ticklish. Ticklish. It's an adjective in British English with 2 syllables. It's pronounced ticklish. But in American English, it has 3 syllables. Ticklish. It's pronounced ticklish. Here's an example. For many people, the soles of the feet are the most ticklish parts of the body, or in American English, the most ticklish parts of the body. Was this helpful? Just hit like now. And continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button now, click the bell icon, and then all to be notified when there are new videos. Build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Just go to goodenglish.online.